Ready to automate your crypto profits but stuck choosing between Photon and Bloom? Let's break down which crypto bot reigns supreme for you in just 90 seconds. First up, Photon. This bot is a powerhouse for experienced traders. Its focus is on deep customization and control. We're talking advanced trading strategies, extensive backtesting to fine-tune your setups, and the ability to implement complex order types like limit orders, market orders, and stop-loss orders with precision. Think of it as a professional-grade tool. Photon really shines with its backtesting capabilities. You can simulate your strategies against historical data, which is essential to see how the bot would perform in different market conditions. This is an important step for experienced traders to minimize risk and maximize profit. Now let's look at Bloom. Bloom is designed with beginners in mind. Its interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, so even if you're new to crypto trading, you can quickly get started. Bloom focuses on simplicity and accessibility. Setting up trades is a breeze. With pre-built strategies and clear instructions, you can start automating your crypto trading with no coding required. So, Photon versus Bloom. Who wins? If you're an experienced trader looking for maximum control and advanced features, Photon is your go-to. But if you're a beginner who values simplicity and ease of use, Bloom is the perfect starting point. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your individual needs, experience, and trading style. Now it's your turn to dig deeper. Check out the links in the description below to explore each bot's features and decide which one aligns best with your crypto journey. Happy trading!